Okay, I'm going to show you how to add a blog post. If you come in here and we come down to blog, post, and then these are the posts that are in here. We've got preview, published. You can schedule them out, but the scheduling's not finished being set up yet, so the scheduling's not really working. But basically, you enter a title, the title, the author, and you can add the author here. If you click the plus sign, you should be able to add another author with the information and everything there. And the categories, you can add categories. If you click on this link right here, you're able to come in here and add more categories. If you want to add more categories, you come back down here to the post, add post. We put the title, the author, and this slug, this is the URL, and you can edit it if you want to, but it should feed off the title. So whatever title you put in here, then it should create the URL for that title. Then you've got the overview. The overview is basically what this article is about. We add the content, and then with the content, if I want to bold it, I can bold it. If I want to add an H1 tag, I can make it an H1 tag. If I want to make it a link, I can come in here, I can click on the link, and then I can put the URL. So when I'm creating the links, the way I do it is I come in here, and let's go back where we've got these links need to be set up on every post. The post should link to each other, and they should also link to the tags and the VDPs. So if you look at this setup here, this is the VDP page for that car, so it links to this, so that's good. That gives us a little authority here. We could even link back out from these pages back to the blog as well for more information. Then you've got the tags. These tags, I can create the tags, and not only can you create the tags, but the way this thing is set up is I can create tags, and I can also create the content on the tag page, because it's very important that every tag, these are the tags that are already in here, but every tag should have its own content, so it's totally unique, so the search engines see that as a page all by itself. And I'll show you how to create the tags and everything on the next video. But basically from there, you say published, you can put today's date, time, and you add a picture here. You just come in here and pick whatever picture you want to add, and then from here, and this is the small picture, but it can be the same size. It doesn't matter. It will automatically change that. I can auto-generate the overview and the FAQs, although when I was auto-generating the overview, it wasn't working correctly. It may be working now. The FAQs wasn't working, then it was working, but and this right here, I can link back to my last post, and I can link to the next post. So this is able, and if I click this right here creates that menu. And if I want to add my own FAQs, I can add the FAQs here just by clicking on add another one, and then I hit save and continue, and it created that blog post. So that's basically all there is to it, and I'll show you in the next video how to create the tags, because the tags are very important, but because they need a lot of content and they need to be totally unique so there's no problems, they're a little complicated. So I'll go through and show you that. But here, once you finish, you just hit save and continue editing, or save and add another one, or just save, and that's all there is to it. The blog posts are pretty straightforward and easy to create.